So today we're going to open up the Pokemon Go box, Dragonite VStar. Let's get into it. So let's see what's in the old box here. Always love their box in a box. We have a storage ball, and we have some packs here, and I don't think there's anything in the ball. Nope, just a storage ball. Very cool. And we have a Dragonite V. Very cool. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs of Pokemon Go. So let's get into them. I believe it's 4. Yep. Get a little closer here. Oh, sorry. No more. Okay. Tranquil, Steelix, and Snorlax. I don't know if he's worth anything or not, so we'll set him over there and we'll check him out. We always check him out. Pack 2. Now remember, I never have first pack magic, so let's see if I can get some second pack magic here. Because... oh, sorry. Oh! Dragonite V. Hey, wait a minute. It's a little different art. Very cool. Okay. I guess I should do this the proper way here, huh? Psych! Love that psych energy. Charmeleon. Oh, rare candy. Magikarp. Pidove. Onix. Eevee. Charmander. Melmetal. And Gyarados. Well, let's do it the right way. Ooh. Solrock. Charmeleon. Onix. Eevee. Charmander. Apom. Bulbasaur. And Dragonite VStar. Another one. I see a theme. Oh well. I see a theme. Kind of craziness, huh? All right. We're not gonna roll back to 4. Oh, getting right to it. I'm Spark and Blissey. That pack's a little messed up. Whoosh. Oy vey. Alright. Bulbasaur. Pidove. Magikarp. Onix. Eevee. Oh, and Executor. Wish I could pronounce things. Nice card though. Isn't that a pretty card? Very cool. Alright. Well, we got 3 packs to go. Let's see what we get in the last 3. The old Magikarp, he pops up everywhere. Meltan, Eevee, Pikachu, Squirtle, Tyranitar, and Melmetal. Psych. Two packs left. Bidoof, Charmander, Apom, Bulbasaur, Pidove, and Spinark, and Melmetal full art. What? Very cool. Very cool card. Alright. And our last pack. And just like first pack magic, I usually don't have last pack magic. So let's see what we get here. Slowpoke, Barbarrel, Pikachu, Spinark, Rattata, the Lure Module, and thank you for watching, Goldspot! Very cool. And have a good day.